Dearest family and friends, a few hours ago, my beautiful mother, Nida, was cremated. She died alone without her loving family and friends around here. She was cremated alone without ceremony or tribute. My father is alone as well. He is in Manila Hospital, in stable condition and quarantine. But he is in a deep grief over the loss of his wife of 47 years of love of his life. My brothers and I are together here in the United States, but we are not allowed to visit my dad. We are not allowed to manage and advocate for him. It has been painful not just for my nuclear family but all our extended relatives and friends who love my parents and cherish my mom. To compound the grief of pain, rumors and malicious misinformation have circulated on the social media about my parents. This has all circulated in panic, violence, threats, and stigmatization of our family and loved ones. Disclosure to private information has circulated as well. My post yesterday on her death was a tribute to her life and announcement of her passing. On behalf of our Paqueo, Cortez, Costrici families, we would now like to issue this statement. My mother, Nida Cortez Paqueo, died shortly after her 67th birthday. She was healthy and fit. She went into the hospital on March 5 with localized pneumonia. A couple of days later, my father was admitted into the hospital. On March 11 local time, March 10 US time, my mother passed away. On March 11, we also received the news that she had COVID-19. My father also has tested positive for COVID-19. My brothers and I here in the US, all family and friends who have been exposed to my parents are in isolation and quarantine. The Department of Health is now working epidemiological protocols around this infection. My parents are in Manila. In fact, they have not been to their hometown, Surigao City, in several months. In addition, they have not traveled anywhere domestically or internationally. They have not been to Siargao, Singapore, Australia, etc. No one knows how they contacted COVID-19, but Manila is a crowded, internationally mixed city of 13 million people. Speculation as to where they got it is unknown, and we are leaving that to the Department of Health. If you have been around with my parents around February 29, when my mother first reported symptoms and her death on March 11, then we encourage you to self-isolate for 14 days. And if you have fever and cough, please report to the Department of Health. It is the responsible thing to do. There is no stigma with this disease. It is dangerous, counterproductive, libelous, and ignorant to spread false information that could result in harm to our family and friends. But it can also be dangerous to public health and welfare. Please stay calm. If you have questions, contact me. Our family has been in contact communication with infectious disease specialists, medical professionals, and with each other to be socially and medically responsible. If you have any question or fears, please do not hesitate to ask question. However, please do respect our family during this extremely painful time. We want to concentrate our energy and our prayers to our father's recovery, sadly from afar, and not on quelling damaging and dangerous rumors and threats. We ask for continuous love, support, healing, energy, and prayers for my father and for our extended community. Thank you. Maraming salamat.